Hey guys, I'm really sorry that I haven't posted in a long time. But I'm really happy right now because I have slime right now. Normally when I make slime like off of YouTube or from Google search or whatever, it never works. And I finally made it work. I am not sure what you call it, but I'm pretty sure it's something like snow slime. I made something similar like that because it sort of looks like it falls down and separates really easily. So I hope you guys can see that. You see what I mean? It doesn't pop. I'm not sure what you guys want to call it, but if I try and poke it like that, it doesn't do any noise. It's sort of like butter slime because you can spread it really easily. It's really soft. Like seriously, I could take a knife and just go spread. Probably wouldn't stick to the, I don't know why my voice went so high, but it could probably stick to the table. I'm really sorry if you're hearing like a lot of sniffles. It's because I have really bad allergies, and my mom and I are still trying to figure out what it is. So, I'm pretty sure in the previous video you've seen this mango. It's not super big. It's my first squishy. But I'm gonna have some squishies coming this Sunday, I believe. And I'll try, if I remember, sorry about the little defect. I was doing some white painting and I got some black paint on the squishy, so. But I'm gonna try and remember to make a video on it on Sunday, on my squishies. But these are the new squishies, like the squishy company. What's it called? Mushy? It's really adorable. I've watched this YouTuber do it. I can't remember her name. But yeah, they're like these little bunnies or dogs or little cute animals, but they're as like foods. So like one's a dog with a hamburger and one's a cat with, no, not a cat, a bunny with like a donut. Looks like a donut because it has like icing and all that stuff. But yeah. So, what I'm trying to say here is, I really wanted to show you my slime. It's not super great, but good for now. Oh, and I want to say one thing. I'm selling a lot of candy to, I'm actually not sure yet, so I'm not going to answer that question. But I'm selling a lot of candy. I'm still not sure how much, but I'm doing it $1 a pound, or like $2 a pound, something like that. So this is how much I got. There's way more. You know those pumpkin baskets? It's basically like 2/3 of the way full. Some of those candies I actually do like, but I'm really trying to save up for something. So I really want to get some more money so I can buy that thing. I'm not going to tell you guys this yet. So, I know we haven't had Panda in a lot of videos, Done a lot of Wii games, a lot of Minecraft. You know what I want to start doing? Roblox. It's becoming a thing now. My favorite game on there is Titan Simulator. You guys should go check it out. It's really cool. You start out as a basic small person who's weak, and you have little goals to get to. Like the first one is, I think, get to 150, and then you level up each time. You get stronger, taller, bigger. It's a really neat game. Once again, it's called Titan Simulator. You guys should go check it out. So I guess I'm gonna end this video here. It's pretty late. It's currently 5:50. I mean, not 5. 5:46. So I guess I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye. Thanks for watching.